Education is a passport in future and tomorrow belongs those how prepared it today. One child, one teacher, one book, one pen can finally.
You must welcome me, Global Spoken English.
Yes, bro, you are right. We are totally agree with you. It can help any person, sailor, old age, and orphan. I think you are totally agree with me. So I am tell again.
I will tell him.
I will tell again. So my topic is education. So you know, education is very necessary and help any person and live peaceful. So I think education is very necessary all person life. Any person, if any person educated, so live peaceful and doing good job and give happiness.
Yes, ma'am. You are correct, ma'am.
Thanks.
Everyone knows that education is very important in our life. Education is a basic requirement nowadays for everything that we wish to do. If you are educated, or people can study, become to engineers, doctors, accountants, computers, experts, government servant, and many other professions. We should know that education is the key of success. Education should be for men and women alike. According to me, there is only one way to fulfill all your dreams, which is a good education. Thank you.
You are right, ma'am. I will totally agree with you. I will tell about education other point. Education is a subtotal civilized behavior, progress, peace, development, and human dignity. And education is a systematic way to achieve knowledge and get development, progress and development in our development success in our lives. If you are educated, everything is easy. Only you should have the passion to do it. Thank you.
I totally agree with the education is the reason that educated people, social reformer, religious man, educated that education is the primary tool for the success of education of the fertile world will raise the importance of education in itself. Education is importance. Education is very important in our life.
You made a good point then, but I'd like to say that someone. There are many reasons that makes English is the most important language in the world. English is very important in today's life. English is the most subject are taught in school. Now the man communicates in English. If you go in any abroad country, the language through communicate is English. I think the language which we all should learn to speak is English. It is prevalent of many countries, including America, China, Russia, Indonesia, and many others. The scope of English is very much that even in India. All great leaders of this world, scientists, doctors, engineers, lawyers are well educated. Therefore, we can see education is also help shape the modern world as we can see it today. Without education, all the comforts and luxuries we enjoy today would not have been possible. English is very important because we require it everywhere. Education brings better ideas and new ways of thinking. It makes us more positive and focused in our task. Only the education broadens the understanding knowledge and insight of individuals to make them a better and responsible citizen. Before finish my topic, before finishing my topic, I would like to say twice. Education is ability to hear anything without losing your temper and self-confidence. So thank you.
School education is a very important to success in a practical life. You know that, bro. Education is like a optical. If you have an education, so you see to anything what is wrong, what is right. If you have education, so you see clearly what is good for you right, what is not good for you wrong. So this is a most
human life. Education is very best friend. Education is life.
As you know, education plays a vital role in our life, and as educated people are more likely to be successful in our life. But without education, we are struggle. Sorry. Without education, we have a struggle in our life.
We had to struggle.
We have
We had to struggle in our lives.
without education, we have to struggle in our life, and in the absence of good education, we forced to hard work. In the absence of good education, many people are forced to hard work for full day of food, and education is incredible power. Therefore, education is essential for better and happy life for all of us. I would like to tell Oline, genius are not born but made. And you.
That is a beautiful line. Man is like an animal without education.